So in this whiteboard, what I want to do is talk a little bit about the site server roles. So previously we talked about sites, primary versus secondary sites, but a site is actually made up of many servers or server roles. So to start, let's just draw up here again our primary site server, and that gets connected into a database server of some sort. Right, so there's a connection between the database that we see listed here and our primary site server. So I'll go ahead and enter that in there. Okay, now other roles that we can have are going to include some very important roles. First off would be what we call a management point. So I'll go ahead and enter that in here. I'll just say MP for management point. So a management point is the actual point of contact that your agents are going to be connecting into. So for instance, if here are all my agents again that we drew in an earlier diagram, instead of connecting in general to the site, they actually are configured to connect to a specific management point within the site. Now you can have multiple management points, but it is the main point of communication between clients and the overall site server environment. Now, the management point itself will be connecting into the primary site server so that ultimately the data that is collected can go into the database. But what this does is it offloads all of the